which at the end of the day remains with the judge to make a decision and not with the people who made the law in order to adjudicate correctly. We need to start this process of engaging on these issues and begin the process of review so that what is contained in the Act serve the interest of the people it is meant to serve. I therefore want to say we support the contributions, the role of Kara Heritage Institute, and we are more than willing to work together with the Institute through a form of a memorandum of understanding and get all the views of stakeholders that the Institute is able to bring together so that we begin a revolution that will take our country forward, especially the indigenous knowledge, the indigenous people whose knowledge has been disrespected to a certain extent or misrepresented in terms of its authenticity and correctness. In those few words, I wish you well when you